So if someone wears the niqab and tries to follow the Quran and the Sunnah, but her family belittles her for her practice, is it permissible for her to distance herself from them? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum. Yes, if someone is opposing what we're doing as part of our conviction, our belief, so they're mocking us when we pray, or they're mocking sisters when they're wearing the niqab and trying to bully them, if they are not your parents, you can distance yourself from them while maintaining the thin line so that you would not sever kinship. The parents, you can't do anything other than to smile in their faces and let them say whatever they want to say without argument, without defending yourself. Let them just bark, excuse my French, and say whatever they want, because such bullying is, we have no other choice but to tolerate. They're the parents. They are the top of the pyramid. We can't do anything other than to accept what they're saying and pray for them. But others, yes, we can keep a distance and just call them once every 3 weeks or 4 weeks, check up on them, and not necessarily hang out with.